You guys can see, hello from Texas. You can see, haven't done videos. Look how we're cooking our hot dogs right here in Texas. We're really bad, no electricity. Pray for us, guys. Pray for us, please. Let me show you how we're cooking our food. You can see, guys, after we're cooking our macaroni. Our macaroni right now, our carnitas. Boiling water, as you can see. I am very upset right now. Look at my plans. Well, not all of them, but some are doing pretty good. But just, oh. And you can see me, guys, what I'm wearing. I'm not wearing nothing comfortable. It is comfortable, but it's not fashion. Please help me, guys. I don't know when the electricity is gonna go on. I really don't know when the electricity is gonna go on. This is the fourth day, I believe. No, as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see from my mouth. I'm breathing, like you could tell it's cold. I haven't made this stuff. It's been a while. So yeah, I can know these days. I remember the old days with my grandma. Back in the days, we were kids. I miss her. I miss my grandma because she, on cold days like this, she had, she had tortillas, wherever it's Tex-Mex. She had tortillas and she had beans and ready. She's rolling there the tortillas, rolling them. She's there cooking and preparing them. I'm here standing at my door on my porch. The good thing is that the little canopy, as you can see, the little porch or the little light, but we don't have no light right now. Poured on my trees, guys. It's so reporting here, just letting you guys know how the weather is here in Texas. Hopefully we get electricity tomorrow. We don't know. We don't know what's going on out there in the I don't know where they said the machines are, the generators. I don't know, something messed up. I don't know what's going on, guys. But pray for us, and I'll let you guys know how we're doing. Hopefully we're doing good. Okay, guys. Well, talk to you guys later. Bye.